Hi everyone, I wanted to talk about the air purifier that I recently purchased off of Amazon. Give a little demonstration video about it. This is the purifier you're going to receive right here. I already have it hooked up into my power outlet and I wanted to show you some features about it. First thing when you get it, you'll notice that you're going to want to, it has the air filter in it, it has a little protective cover, but I just wanted to show you how you remove it and how you put the air filter in. So in the back right here, you'll see there's a little lock and unlock button. You're just going to twist this down at the bottom right here. You're going to twist that. That's going to unlock the unit. And down below, that's going to be your filter right here. And you'll see this is the filter. It's easy to replace. And so you're just going to put your new one in right here. And you're going to line up, again, that lock and unlock icon. And it'll lock it up for you. So I already got it locked up right here. Now to turn on the unit, you're just going to press the power button. You're going to activate the unit. You'll see the green arrow right here. And you'll see when it starts to purify, you'll see how many the digits, reading on the display right here. Different fan levels. You have, slow, medium, high, right up here. You can have different ones right here. I actually got full blast right here. It has a nice little cooling feature. Now you'll notice with this green arrow, right? That means it's cleaning the air right now. So it's good air. Yellow, it's a little bit concerning. The red one means it's bad air. So that's the one that's one, if you see that one's you're going to probably want to replace your filter because your filter's probably clogged. So that's what I would recommend. But the green is what you're going to see most of the time, which is good. So that will give you a visual reminder that the filter is doing a great job. Besides the fan button, you'll also notice there's an automatic button. So that one will automatically run the unit, shut off the unit. It'll automatically set it up for you so you don't have to touch any other buttons. The other one right here is if you want to have to turn off the display right here. That will actually just shut it off. So let's say you're at nighttime, you want to sleep, you can actually just shut it off so you don't have to be disturbed by the extra light. And the other neat feature that I like too is the child lock button right here. And that's one if you have a small child in the house and you don't want them to touch any of the buttons, that would be a good feature to set up right on this one here too. This button, when that one illuminates, that's going to let you know you're going to want to replace your filter. So that one, you're just going to see if that lights up, then it's the time you can replace the filter. And the filters you can actually purchase on Amazon where you bought the unit as well. Oh, otherwise, it's a great unit. I've had it for a while. I love it. I've worked it out pretty good. I use it in my office right now. Sometimes I'll bring it home. Also, if I have a home gym set up and I'll just keep it over there. It works out everywhere. It works out really good. Very lightweight, which I like. And just go ahead and just plug it in wherever you want. Hope you have a good time using this unit. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.